Alright guys, the tomato journey continues. A couple of years back I did tomato ketchup on the stovetop. Last year I did it using the Fast Slow Pro as a slow cooker, which took like most of the day. But today I'm doing the spicy tomato ketchup in a pressure cooker. Okay, I'll put the ingredients in the description below as normal, but here they are. 2 kilos of tomatoes. I'm using the big ones for this, get rid of all these. And I'm going to put 2 Padron Peppers in. They're not really hot, but a bit of flavour. That's them. And all this will be washed, and I'll show you in a second. Apple cider vinegar, mustard powder. This is Monty's mustard, I quite like that one. The red onion, celery seeds, garlic powder, black pepper, and light brown sugar, soft sugar. That's it then. So right, let's go and wash these and we'll start cutting all up. Right, I've had a quick rinse. I'm going to leave the peppers and the onion till a bit later, because what I want to do is get these in and then squish them down a bit to get some of the juice out for the pressure cooker to work. And these are going to be a bit hard in there, I might stop it. So I know it. So I had to cut a bit off this one, it was a bit bruised. So. And you have to be careful with bruised tomatoes, because the acidity is a little bit lower in them. And if the acidity is too low, it can mess up their preservation properties. Ugh. These big ones are they're rose to burn. These ones, you could just cut them in quarters if you've got a decent masher, but I don't know if that one's any good or not. I bought one with the Circulon set of pans I got, and the holes are so fine in the masher it doesn't work. Let's get those bits off there. Don't want rough skin, do we? Gonna sieve it at the end anyway, but normally with a small tomato you just put your thumb on the centre, stick the knife in and twist, but it's a bit awkward with these big ones. Cool, it's like gotta carve them up. Right. And I'll get the onion and peppers ready. This is overwintered onion, electric. The sun's come out. It's a bit of a rain earlier. A bit of a core in that one, must have been about to bolt. And these are, let's say, Padron Peppers. Or is it chilies? I don't know actually. Taste a bit daft using it if I don't know what it tastes like. Pepper. Warm pepper. Just the merest hint of a little bit of heat there, nothing really. Now it's gone now. Right, well that's that then. Let's get the Yeah, get my hands washed. Get rid of the rubbish. Okay, now so let's get these tomatoes in. And like I say, we'll mash them up a little bit. Yeah, nice and squidgy. That's all right. This is hard to film and keep your hands steady at the same time. Hard to mash and keep the camera steady. That'll do. Okay, then in with the rest of the ingredients. 75 grams of soft brown sugar, which probably end up being more because it's lumpy. $60, $70, $80. 250 ml, and I'm using apple cider vinegar. That's 350, so I'll leave 100 in there. That's what I mean. So it didn't matter too much about the liquid level because I'm putting this in anyway. All right, 2 teaspoons of sea salt. This just happens to be a coarse one, doesn't matter. It's all going to get dissolved anyway, isn't it? Half teaspoon of garlic powder. That's quarter. That's half. Half teaspoon of pepper. This is ground black pepper. So you're doing it yourself, doesn't it? And I'm going to put half a teaspoon of mustard in. And get the lid off. Oh, look at that. It's nice mustard, this one. Quarter teaspoon of celery seeds. Then you could put paprika in if you want. You could put turmeric in if you wanted to. This will do for now. Quick stir, and then we get cooking. Right then. It's a bit bright here. I can't see what I'm doing. Pressure cook. We're on pressure cook. Time. Press start. 10 minutes, 5 minutes we want. Press start. Here we go then. Right then, there it is. Pressure cooked. 5 minutes under pressure. So what I'm going to do now, put it back on the heat. I'm going to put it onto a boil or sear or something like that, and let it bubble down for, well, until it's reduced by half. Yeah, reduce it by half. There we go then. Okay, and that's been reducing for 30 odd minutes now. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to blitz it down. Let me just show you what it looks like. There we are, that's reduced quite a lot. I mean, that's how far the spoon is now, look. So I'm going to turn it off, give it a blitzing down. I'll tell you a story about my blitzers. My old blitzer was getting a bit tired, so I gave it away to one of the kids and I bought myself a new one. Brilliant. Used it away, looked at my pan, scratched to pieces. I didn't realise it was metal. So in the eagerness to make it better, I made it worse, you know what I mean? So then I went out and bought another one. Oh, this one's all right. Russell Hobbs plastic. I've saved that one just to use in bowls if I remember. Right then, well, the worst thing is, I might use it in pans, so we ought to throw it away really. Right, let's give it a quick blitz in then. I did a quick taste test and it needed a little bit more heat, so I put half a dozen drops of Tabasco in and it's lovely jubbly. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to give it a quick sieve in before we jar it up. Shouldn't be too many bits in there, but you know. Don't want bits on your chips, do you? That's about 250 ml, and the bottle's 250 ml, so let's give that a go. Yeah, it's still hot. Lovely. I had more bottles, but I've given them away. Ooh, that's setting nicely. Well, there we are, guys. Nearly three. Lots of spicy Tommy K. So I'll just label them up. Flip you around. These blooming awful labels, these. Nah, stop ranting, Steve. It says on Amazon, easily removed even after washing. Yeah, right. I bet you can't guess which country they come from. Teach me for being a skinflint, not sticking with Avery, isn't it? Oh yeah, can you see what I'm? Yeah. So what I'll do when I'll use this one on the table and I'll top it up with that one. Keep that one in the fridge. Lid's gone down already, look. Hey! Right guys, hope you enjoyed that. What's next? Gotta do some more roasted tomato sauce sometime, that was nice. Might do that actually. Plenty there, plenty in the greenhouse, yeah. About another 5-6 kilos to go yet. Right, look after yourself, stay safe. Catch you on the next video.